Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Now that we are 2/3 of the way through our spring season, here's some tips for you to think about.
There's still time to plant all kinds of annual and perennial flowers for spring and summer color. You can set out ground covers like gazania, ice plants, hearts and flowers, verbena, and Australian racer. Use a pre-emergent weed control like high-yield weed preventer to prevent weeds from growing up through the plants.
If worms or caterpillars are eating holes in your vegetable or flower leaves, treat them with Bacillus thuringiensis, also known as BT. Now is also a good time to apply organic mulch on the surface of your vegetable and flower beds and around trees and shrubs. Lawns should be prepared for the hot summer months as well. Continue overseeding as needed and fertilize to get them in good shape before the heat comes. The best time to water is between the hours of 3 and 6 a.m. Keep fescue lawns to a height of 2.5 to 3 inches tall to help shade its roots during the hot summer months.
Inspect your irrigation system for correct water delivery to all plants. If you don't, your plants will let you know. Control wild, unwanted Bermuda grass by letting it get lush with new growth. Spray it with a non-selective grass killer like Remuda or Knockout. Several treatments may be necessary for effective control, but the treated area can be replanted or reseeded after dead Bermuda is removed. Just remember to keep these herbicides off of desirable plant foliage.
Keep a sharp eye out for insects and manage these pests with insecticides or organic controls before they develop into large colonies that can harm your plants. Paint the trunks of fruit trees and other soft bark trees with tree trunk paint or use tree trunk wrap to protect bark from sunburn and help prevent borer infestations.
Now is also a good time to do light pruning on low water use plants and reduce stress from overgrown foliage and seed pods. Just be careful not to expose tender trunks to full sun if they have been well shaded previously. Get a free copy of our gardening calendar, Star Note 100, at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.